Indian National Congress, Foundation and the Moderate Phase. Foundation of Indian National Congress. The final shape for the establishment of an All India organization idea was given by a retired English civil servant, A.O. Hame, who organized the first session of the Indian National Congress at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College in Bombay in December 1885. Two sessions of the Indian National Conference had been held in 1883 and 1885. Surendranath Banerjee and Ananda Mohan Bose were the main architects of the Indian National Conference. The first session of the Indian National Congress was attended by 72 delegates and presided over by Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Hereafter, the Congress met every year in December. Some of the great presidents of the Congress during this early phase were Dadabhai Naoroji, thrice president, Badruddin Tyabji, Feroz Shah Mehta, P. Anandacharlu, Surendranath Banerjee, Romesh Chandra Dutt, Ananda Mohan Bose and Gopal Krishna Gokhale. In 1890, Kadambini Ganguly, the first woman graduate of Calcutta University, addressed the Congress session. Was it a safety valve? Hame formed the Congress with the idea that it would prove to be a safety valve for releasing the growing discontent of the Indians. The extremist leaders like Lala Lajpat Rai believed in the safety valve theory. R.P. Dutt opined that the Indian National Congress was born out of a conspiracy to abort a popular uprising in India and the bourgeois leaders were a party to it. Bipan Chandra observes, the early Congress leaders used Hame as a lightning conductor. Aims and objectives of the Congress. The main aims of the Indian National Congress are: 1. Found a democratic, nationalist movement. 2. Politicize and politically educate people. 3. Establish the headquarters for a movement. 4. Promote friendly relations among nationalist political workers from different parts of the country. 5. Develop and propagate an anti-colonial nationalist ideology. 6. Formulate and present popular demands before the government with a view to unifying the people over a common economic and political program. 7. Develop and consolidate a feeling of national unity among people irrespective of religion, caste or province. 8. Carefully promote and nurture Indian nationhood. Era of Moderates, 1885 to 1905. Important leaders. The national leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji, Feroz Shah Mehta, D. E. Vacha, W. C. Banerjee. N. Banerjee. Moderate approach. The moderate political activity involved constitutional agitation within the confines of law and showed a slow but orderly political progress. They worked on a two-pronged methodology. Methodology. 1. Create a strong public opinion to arouse consciousness and national spirit and then educate and unite people on common political questions, and 2. Persuade the British government and British public opinion to introduce reforms in India on the lines laid out by the nationalists. They used the method of prayer and petition, and if that failed, they resorted to constitutional agitation. A British committee of the Indian National Congress was established in London in 1889, which had India as its organ. Dadabhai Naoroji spent a substantial portion of his life and income campaigning for India's case abroad. In 1890, it was decided to hold a session of the Indian National Congress in London in 1892, but owing to the British elections of 1891, the proposal was postponed and never revived later. The moderate leaders believed that the time was not ripe for a direct challenge to the British rule.